In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to equip families in Attack on Titan Revolution. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to switch between the families available in Attack on Titan Revolution. To do this, instead of clicking play from the main screen of the game, go over to customization. It is within the customization menu where you will be able to swap between the families and compare the perks. So you will see a lot of customization options related to your character's appearance, but what you have to do is go over to this fifth icon with the F symbol. This is where you can change your families. So as you can see, they have 5 main rarities. They have common families, rare families, epic families, legendary families, and finally mythical families, which are stupidly rare. And you will be able to expand the menus if you would like to get a very specific family. Now usually, the way that this works is that common families will have no perks attributed to them, so you really want to get rare or above. And for you to get new families, you simply have to roll. The family will be equipped immediately upon rolling. You can deposit this current family on your storage, so for free you are going to have a single family bag storage. So as you can see, I have this rare one stored, and if I click on this and swap, I'll equip the family and I'll get these perks. So this is a way to always have a family backed up, just in case if you roll and you get a family that you don't like, you can go back to this one, for example. Now, for the focus of this video, all that you have to do is click on roll. You will swap families randomly, so one family is going to be selected, and as you can see, I got a rare one. So it has the skills potato and a passive of minus 5% health. I can deposit this if I wanted to keep it safe, but because my storage is full, I simply have to swap between them. But this is all you have to do. Once you reach 400 rolls, you are guaranteed to get at least an epic family, so keep that in mind. And spins are going to cost you real money, so you will have to purchase them with Robux. But you can roll over here at the bottom right. I hope I was able to help you on how to equip families on Attack on Titan Revolution. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.